3, 2, 1.
Which famous TV show takes place in a diner called Central Perk? The answer is B, Friends. What is always wet but never swims? A boat. The answer is D, raindrop. I have keys but no hands, yet music plays. What am I? The answer is B, jukebox. Which city hosts the world's largest fashion week? The answer is C, Paris. Which scientist discovered the law of conservation of energy? The answer is A, Albert Einstein. Which tower, located in the Palace of Westminster in London, is usually referred to as Big Ben? The answer is D, the Clock Tower. Capillary walls are only one layer of cells thick. Passage of oxygen into and out of the capillaries is controlled most by which process? The answer is C, diffusion of material. The plasma membrane pulls away from the cell wall as it shrivels. What is this process called? The answer is B, plasmolysis. In me are the highest and lowest places on earth. What am I? The answer is C, Atlas. Where is the European Union's westernmost point not counting overseas territories? The answer is B, in Portugal's Azores Islands. What are structures that protect the coast like barrier islands called? The answer is C, breakwaters. What famous pearl did Richard Burton purchase in 1969 as a Valentine's Day present for his then-wife Elizabeth Taylor? The answer is B, La Peregrina. What is the closest source of plasma to our planet? The answer is C, the nearest star sulfur-burning heavenly body. I'm a queen of the night. Bats are my courtiers, and bees are afraid of me. What am I? The answer is A, moon. Which of the following helped lead to the invention of personal computers? The answer is D, integrated circuit. In Portuguese, what is the word for blue? The answer is A, azul. In what book would you find a heffalump? The answer is B, Winnie the Pooh. Which fabric is known for its water-repellent properties? The answer is D, Gore-Tex. What ancient Greek goddess was the protector of women in childbirth and healing? The answer is D, Hecate. If an object is close, then how will that object appear? The answer is A, gigantic. The speed of a wave is a product of its wavelength and what else? The answer is A, frequency. Varicella-Zoster virus causes what two illnesses? The answer is C, chicken pox and shingles. Which gas makes up most of the atmosphere? The answer is B, nitrogen. Which unit measures electric potential difference? The answer is B, ohm. Which vitamin deficiency can lead to night blindness? The answer is A, vitamin A. I represent many, but I don't have a voice. What am I? The answer is B, flag. Which school supply sticks papers together? The answer is B, eraser. What is used for hanging clothes to dry outside? The answer is C, line. What system, which includes the skin, plays important roles in protection, sensing stimuli, and thermoregulation? The answer is D, integumentary system. How are bacteria cells similar to our cells? The answer is D, DNA and plasma membrane. How long did Sophia's marinara sauce take to make on the sitcom The Golden Girls? The answer is B, 14 hours. What do the letters TLDR mean on internet chats? The answer is C, too long didn't read. Which geometric figure has an area equal to pi r2 for a circle with radius r? The answer is D, circle. At the end of the third season of M*A*S*H actor McLean Stevenson decided to leave the show. What happened to his character Henry Blake? The answer is C, his homebound plane was shot down. Which country is home to the world's highest waterfall, Angel Falls? The answer is A, Brazil. In which American city is the fast food restaurants chain McDonald's Incorporated? The answer is B, San Bernardino, California. The sun's surface temperature is roughly 10,000 degrees F. The temperature at the sun's core, however, can be as high as what? The answer is A, 2 million degrees F. I'm accessorized on the wrist and often tells time. What am I? The answer is A, watch. What is the fastest speed reached in Need for Speed Most Wanted? The answer is D, 600 mph. The Brazilian wandering spiders are included in Guinness World Records 2007 as the world's most venomous spiders. How do they inject their venom? The answer is B, by biting. Endosperm usually develops before the what does? The answer is C, embryo. I am never hungry, yet I always eat. What am I? The answer is B, time. What ocean has the deepest point? The answer is B, Atlantic. What is the standard voltage for USB? The answer is B, 5V. Which sport uses a hurling stick? The answer is D, Gaelic athletics. If the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic series is Sn equals 3n2 plus n, what is the common difference between the terms? The answer is C, n1. Snails, scallops, and squids are what type of invertebrate? The answer is C, mollusks. Where were eyeglasses known and worn 500 years before they became popular in Europe and America? The answer is B, China. Which of these is the correct official name of a Canadian province? The answer is C, Nova Scotia. What is the lowest grade of coal called?